guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm really excited because this video has been highly requested. You guys have asked me to do this video, so I'm excited to bring it to you. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can help your hair retain moisture. If your hair isn't retaining moisture, it can definitely give the appearance that your hair is dry. It can definitely create a lot of frizz for you. Definitely can make your wash and goes look like they're dry when your hair just needs help retaining some of that moisture. And long term can definitely cause damage if you're not properly allowing your hair to retain that moisture to moisturize your hair. So we are going to get into it today. I'm going to be giving you just 3 easy tips on how you can incorporate moisture into your routine, how you can get your curls to be really healthy, juicy, and poppin'. So if you guys would like to know what my tips are, then go ahead and keep watching. Really quickly, see, my ride or dies know when I have a good wash day. This is a very bomb wash day. Do you guys see how coily and curly my hair looks? It looks so good. So I used some new products. These products were sent to me complimentary of OGX. Honestly, I've never really deep dived into their products because I saw other curly girls using them, but I wasn't confident that this brand would work on curly hair. You know what I mean? But I tried their Praxi Recovery Oil line. This is the deep restoring. So I tried out the shampoo and the conditioner, and I also tried out their combing cream. They also sent me the 60-second moisture treatment. Wow, this line is super moisturizing. The shampoo is thick. Remember in my previous video we were talking about we use shampoo. I love shampoo. It works, it makes my hair feel so good and clean. I love shampoos. This is super moisturizing. It's thick, it's creamy. It's definitely lathers and stuff, but it's not like too much. It definitely left my hair still clean but moisturized, which is what I really go for. It's just a very moisturizing shampoo. I'm a fan. I really liked it. And then of course the conditioner was it wasn't super thick, which I like, so it's easy to get through your hair. And this line smells so good. And one thing I used to talk about a lot back in the day is I kind of don't like that curly hair products all smell like coconut. Like, we should have more options. So this smells so good. I really liked using this. It was a very luxurious feeling in the shower. I really liked it. Combing cream. So this obviously is marketed as like a detangling cream, but it definitely is a bomb leave-in conditioner. I mean, look at how coily it made my curls. My curls usually curl up like this when a product has the right amount of moisture and it's good for kind of hydrating my curls so they spring up and they're nice and healthy and juicy. Great for curly hair. Does help with detangling, but it's also so moisturizing and it's a great leave-in. You can definitely top this with a gel and you're good to go. That's what I did. I use this as a leave-in, but I just wanted to give them a shout out. Thank you so much, OGX, for sending me these products. I'm a fan of this line. I will also leave a link in the description box if you would like to check them out, but super bomb line. Okay, so I'm going to keep these very beginner friendly. So for those of you who may not know how to retain moisture, or this whole concept is new to you, you've never heard of this till I said something, this video is definitely going to be beneficial for you. So these are things that I do that are very simple, easy. They won't take a lot out of your actual routine that you already have. So basically, you guys, moisture is water. I say this all the time, but hear me out. Moisture is water. So when you are applying your oils, when you're applying your serums, how they say you should seal your moisture, basically you're sealing the water. Because think about this, like when you get out the shower, you're soaking wet, right? You get out the shower and your skin, when you get out the shower, what happens if you don't put lotion on? Your skin becomes very dry. That is the very same thing that happens to your hair. You wash your hair, it's super moisturized in the shower, then you get out and it's frizzy, right? That's because your hair, the water is evaporating out of your hair. It's just a natural process. Same thing with the water that comes up off of our skin when we get out the shower. Same concept. Just to simplify this, that's hopefully makes it a lot simpler. So the first thing I'm going to say is obviously deep conditioning regularly. This will help nourish your hair, but this will definitely help your hair to hold on to that moisture because you are doing a deep moisturizing treatment most of the time when you're doing a deep conditioner. If you would like to level up your deep conditioning, I would recommend the Curadew. This is a hair steamer, so what this does is it opens up the hair shafts so that the moisture, the water, the nutrition from your deep conditioner, all of that good stuff gets into your hair on a deeper level, and then your hair is a lot more nourished. For me, I personally see a very big difference when I use a hair steamer. If you feel that your hair is having a hard time holding on to your deep conditioner, this can help boost that. If you feel that this, I believe this is good for, especially if you have a low porosity hair. I have normal porosity. I don't get into high or normal or low porosity because I think it's just going to depend on trial and error and what works best for your hair. So for me, leveling up a deep steamer like that, but another things you can do is use a heating cap, or simply when you are deep conditioning, wrap your hair in either like a trash bag, so a grocery bag, your shower cap, anything that'll really hold and lock in that moisture for you for a longer period of time. That's just an easy way to level up your deep conditioning, but that also helps boost your moisture and allow your hair to get moisturized at a very intense level. So I recommend deep conditioning about once a week, and I recommend that you read the instructions on the bottle. Do not leave your deep conditioner overnight or for 5 hours. Leave your deep conditioner in for as long as the packaging says, okay? We're gonna be safe here. We are not losing hair in 2020. We are taking enough L's in 2020. So, okay, next is very, very, very simple, but I say this all the time, okay? You guys, you want to, when you're styling your hair, you want to style on soaking wet hair. Now, why? You want to do this because when you are styling on wet hair, you're sealing in that water. Water and oil do not mix. So if you put oil, basically you're not gonna be able to get nourish in, but also it's not going to come out. So people are saying put your liquid, which is water, or your leave-in conditioner, mostly you want water. Then you can apply your leave-in conditioner or any type of moisturizing ingredients, and then you can seal with an oil. For me, that's a little too heavy for my hair. I don't like my hair being oily, but a simple thing that I like to do is style on soaking wet hair. So I will apply my leave-in conditioner and then my gel, because most of the time my gel is kind of like my sealer, but also applying my leave-in conditioner is kind of like my sealer. If you're applying your products to like damp hair or even dry hair, you're kind of stopping moisture from also coming into your hair. So there's really nowhere for your hair to get that moisture. So you want to make sure you're properly sealing your hair so that your hair can hold on to that moisture, get that deep, deep, deep moisture, and that'll definitely help you if you prolong your wash days. Because I'll even go sometimes for a week with my wash days. So I want to make sure my hair is really moisturized. What you can do is sometimes it's unrealistic to either do your wash day in the shower, which I have done and that works really, really well, but your hair's soaking wet. Anyways, another thing is while you're styling your hair, you guys just get you a nice little spray bottle. I have a couple. This one's from Curl Mix, or this one's from Curl Mix. This is from Curl Keeper. These are those really cool, if you guys have seen these spray bottles, they spray continuously. I really, really like them, and they're super fine mist. You can also get them on Amazon. You can get them at the beauty supply store. You can even get regular spray bottles at the dollar store. So I love using these. So when I am doing my hair, I will mist my hair to kind of get that water back into my hair. Now, next also comes with styling, because for me, wash day is the most important day for me. It's something that I like to do because I know I'm rehydrating my curls. So another tip is when you are applying your products, you want to make sure that everything is getting evenly distributed. If you find that there's some areas of your hair that are just really frizzy, sometimes it just didn't get enough product. So a way you can ensure that all your hair is thoroughly saturated with your products, you aren't missing a spot, and that you are sealing all of your hair, I recommend a brush. Now, you don't have to use a brush like this. Any type of brush. Brushing products through your hair can also create some sort of definition for you, also detangling. but also importantly, it helps distribute all your products really evenly. So I love to use a brush when I am styling my hair. I will use my hands sometimes, but I will use a brush and then maybe rake my products through with my hands. I just want to make sure that all of my hair is really saturated. And some other things, you guys, if you feel that your hair looks just dry more often, what you can do definitely is shorten your wash days. If you're hitting day 5 and you're like, my hair looks really dry, it'll probably just benefit your hair if you wash it and restart over, re-moisturize your hair, because you definitely don't want to go long periods of time with dry hair. I definitely recommend that you guys check these tips out, see how they work for you, and definitely tweak them to see how best will work in your hair routine, because again, not everything is going to work for everyone. Just because it works for me doesn't guarantee that it's going to work for you, but these are definitely some tips that are just very basic with moisture, because really, honestly, no matter what products you use, if you're not applying them correctly, they're not going to work. So I would like to give a shout out in this video to Hair by D137. I thought it was really sweet. She shared that she found my previous video about my thoughts on the curly girl method. She said that it was really interesting, but there are things that she does that definitely aren't code regulated, but she's like, everybody's hair is different. So she really appreciated that video. I want to say thanks, girl, so much for watching me. If you guys would like a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is screenshot this video and post it to your Instagram story and tag me. So whether you're watching on your computer, your desktop, you can definitely take a picture of your screen, send it to me on Instagram. Make sure you tag me, okay? Make sure you tag me, and I will pick the next person to shout out in the video that way. So I want to say thanks, girl. That was just really heartfelt and really sweet. Those are just some tips that I have for you guys today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what products that you use to moisturize your hair in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.